Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. And look what I've made today, y'all. I have made Hassleback potatoes. These are super easy to make and they're so delicious. They're crispy on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. They make the perfect potato side dish. So let me show you just how to make them because it's that time. It is time to get cooking. So I am using 4 Idaho russet potatoes. And the trick to making really good Hassleback potatoes is how you cut them. So I'm going to go over with you the tips and tricks. I want to make this potato nice and stable as I make the cuts. So I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to make just a thin slice on the bottom, and that way it's nice and stable. Then I have 2 chopsticks and I'm going to put them right beside the potato. Actually, I'm going to turn this potato this way so you guys can see better. And then I'm just going to start to make cuts all along the potato. And I'm going to hold these chopsticks in place the best that I can. So I'm going to slice it all the way down. Well, that didn't work out. That sliced it off, but that's okay. You don't want to slice all the way through. And I'm making my slices rather thin. All right, so there you have it. One is done. Got my potatoes done. Now you can place this on a sheet tray, a baking tray if you like. I'm actually going to put mine in a cast iron skillet. So I'm going to place my potatoes in my cast iron skillet. All right, and then I'm going to try to just gently fan them open. They may not stay open, and that's fine. So next I'm going to melt 1 stick of salted butter. All right, so to my melted butter, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. All right, now I'm just going to begin to brush this butter over my potatoes, and I want to make sure I get in between each of these slices. And then you will want to bake them in a 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out and brush them again with the butter. Sprinkle a little salt. All right, so now back in for another 20 to 30 minutes. So the Hassleback potatoes are all done, and oh my goodness, they look gorgeous. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is optional. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese right on top. I'm just using a container of Parmesan cheese, but you could obviously use freshly grated Parmesan cheese if you wanted to. And again, this is optional. just going to steal myself one of these ends to give them a sample. Oh yeah, look at that crispiness. Oh. All right, well, I really hope that you give these a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.